Well, we celebrate International Reggae Day today, and I thought it was appropriate to have the preview or the screening or the world premiere of the Dennis Brown docu-film at this time. And so tonight, although we were scheduled to have been outdoors and to have a bigger event, because of the forecast, I decided not to take the chance and to do indoor, and to also use the opportunity to show the kind of protocol that we have to display now that we have reopened the event sector. His story is one of trials, tribulations, and triumphs. And we wanted to ensure that we captured that and that we were able to tell his story, although he's gone. Those who have served the culture and creative industries. It's important that we capture their stories. Some we will capture before they pass, and others who have passed, it's important for us to capture their stories and to have that information for generations to come. And so tonight we pay tribute to Dennis Brown, the Crown Prince of Reggae. Dennis Brown! Hold on me. Oh yes, hold on me. Girl, you got me here tonight. With the feeling is right. You go inside. That's making nothing more than life. Yes, your love gotta hold on me.
It was well done. A lot of things that was edited out, we could have been there, but it would have made it longer. So I guess the producer knew what she was doing. Tell a true story of Dennis one. He's a Virgin King. Because he have love for me and we have love for him, and we have love for people. He never lose come and touch with people, you know. He love people. But like you say, a lot of people take disadvantage of him love. But I didn't do it, I'm style. You know, see it? So but we can't about that. Dennis was kind, nice, well talented, never exalt on no man. So give praises to Dennis Brown life, my brother. Bless.